Teria achiel kachiel kama jatend migao ma ochung'ne jotije piny owacho Justin Biden Muturi wuoyo gi jofwambo ewi weche mag ndicho mar jo-Kenya.
Serious issue. I mean, the number of people that have died are so many that should prick the conscience of any right-thinking leader in this country. That's my position. Let me not take a casual response to a very, very important question because the reason why I would want, I'm proposing a open commission of inquiry, including all relevant stakeholders in this country, is so that we can go to the root cause. And therefore, and you know, the result, it would be recommendations which are actionable. So let me not jump the gun to respond one way or other about that. Suffices that that is my proposal. Others are at liberty to make their suggestions as well. Thank you.
Yes, on the matter of disappearances from that particular day, I want to confirm we were representing families like the father of Billy Mwangi, whose son was found, and quite a number of others, including Bernard Kavule. They have been threatened that if they ever say what happened, they will be dead. There is also, you know, Bob Jaggi and his team. And we have also got the Miss MCA from Wanjia. So this story is big. But one thing which comes, even from parents who go to police station to the report, they are first harassed, they are threatened. They ask who went to the press, who talked about this. So, you know, even if you are investigating and you are already terrorizing the evidence, then you come to court and say, you know, we are unable to receive evidence from the public. You have terrorized them. How will they write a statement with you? So I want to agree with the senior citizen and, you know, a cabinet secretary in this country, who is also a very senior lawyer, that we need an urgent public of inquiry, serious one, so that everybody can now feel free to come and talk publicly, so that even the former abducted people can come and talk, so that Gaido can come and say how he was bundled in a pro box in a police station. How then will the IG deny that he has no idea? The investigators should be at current police station finding out who are these police and what communication they had with these wounded people to bundle Gaido in a pro box. So, it's also, I also want to call upon Kenyans, those who have evidence that are bold enough, please give it to the police. So when OBs were written, the families were actually mishandled, meaning the police knew very well what they were doing. And unfortunately, this information can only come in a public of inquiry so that everybody heals. We agree, unfortunately, they have been killed. Others have been abducted. And by the way, the young abductees who have come out have said that they felt that at some point, they were in a military confinement. That's why the IG has no business with the military. So this story is bigger. We want them to come and tell us, and we want to follow and find out. And they say the military confinement was a place they were recovering from the beatings they got from the other building, which is not a police station. So something very illegal is happening in this country. And I really want to ask all Kenyans to be concerned and to ask the president what is happening, because he's the one in charge of security of this country.
Let me just close by saying this. I want to make this one appeal, that regardless of your position in society, in government, in the security sector, remember, whatever you are doing, one day you may have to answer for it personally. You hold or you carry personal responsibility. Those of them that may not be clear should be reminded about the Nuremberg trials. You cannot be excused for obeying illegal orders from wherever they may be from. So people and Kenyans, please, those of you, I've seen many of you have taken pictures. Make sure that those pictures you take, store them safely, even in the cloud. One day in this country, you may find that those pictures you have taken may be the answer to this intriguing situation that we are going through in this country. Thank you very much.
So very briefly, I'll just brief you on what we are doing here today. We have the 4 families. Just to clarify, Mlolongo, it's Mlolongo 4, not Mlolongo 3. These 4 who were abducted, they all know each other. They were actually friends. So 3 of them were abducted on 17th, and then they came back and picked Mbisi, the 4th one, or the day after. So it's Mlolongo 4 colleagues, not Mlolongo 3. 2, Justus and Martin, their fingerprints were taken, and of course the message was sent to their rural home. As Wakili has said, that information came to light yesterday. The other 2, we have information that the other 2 might be here, but the morgue attendants have asked us for time because there are very many bodies. So they are trying to locate on those dates those 2 whose features might resemble these other 2 colleagues. But the 4 families are here together. We are hoping that once everything has been confirmed, then we'll move to the postmortem process. The bodies are not in very good shape. They appear to have been mutilated. Even you can't really tell from the look on the faces only, you can't really identify who they are. It's the fingerprints and probably the DNA. So tomorrow, hopefully, we will be able to confirm if the other 2 are also here, but we are working closely with the morgue attendants to help us do that. They've asked us to come back tomorrow. But I echo the sentiments of the leaders who are here, that, we have made killings and disappearances too normal in this country. Every other day, there's a report of a disappearance. Even as we are here, there's a family that has reported to us that they are looking for their father who went missing on Tuesday this week. We are still, searching. But we are asking Kenyans to speak up, to raise their voices so that we can end this practice of extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances in our country. And we hope the leaders who are in office, those who are responsible, particularly the security agencies, it can't be normal that armed people in broad daylight using fake number plates are picking our people left, right, and center, and then you tell us you don't know. That cannot be true. If it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. This means these people are operating, most probably, with the authority and permission of those who are in power. So we are asking Kenyans and we are asking those in authority, kindly, let us respect the Constitution, let us respect the laws of the land, and let's put to an end this heinous practice of killings and abductions. Thank you.